Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Gamma AI for PowerPoint presentation. So guys, go to Gamma and you have the three options. This is the popular one. You can create a presentation, just click this one. And after that, wait guys, you have web page, you have presentation, you have document, social. This is the beta version. So guys, to create a PowerPoint presentation, you choose the card, for example 8 card, and write the describe what you do like make. For example, this one I have how small change creates big impact, and click this one, choose the language English and click generate outline and wait. And this is the outline guys. You have the 8 outline and you have the small change big impact. This is just example. You can add the one here. You can change the theme guys. You can choose any theme you want to write. For example, this one I'm going to choose this one. After that guys, you have image. You can upload image from web. You can use animated GIF, and you have amount text bar card, and just click generate guys and wait to generate your PowerPoint. This is how, as you can see here guys, it is generated and it is helpful and powerful tools guys, and I recommend it to use this one if you want to choose with the pictures guys. Amazing and unbelievable pictures. This is your PowerPoint presentation. You can scroll down, you can give you all the statistics guys, as you can see here with your statistics, and it is good guys. You can take this one. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.